Master the heat, an introduction to grilling and broiling. Hello, English learners. Welcome to another exciting video on our Cooking and Recipes series. Today, we are going to explore two popular cooking techniques, grilling and broiling. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to discuss these cooking methods and their uses in English. So, let's fire up the grill, metaphorically speaking, of course. Grilling is a cooking technique that involves applying direct heat to the food. Typically, we grill food outdoors on a barbecue grill. Common foods you might grill include hamburgers, hot dogs, steaks, and vegetables. Remember, when you are grilling, you are cooking your food at a high temperature for a short time, and this gives the food a distinctive charred, smoky flavor. When it comes to grilling, there are some specific words you need to know. Barbecue. This is both a cooking method and the apparatus used. It is also a social event where food is cooked outdoors. Charcoal. This is the fuel often used in grills. It gives a distinct flavor to the food. Flame. The visible part of the fire. Grill marks. These are the characteristic lines on food cooked on a grill. Marinate. The process of soaking food in a mixture before cooking to enhance its flavor. Broiling, on the other hand, is a method of cooking that uses high heat from above. It's like grilling, but upside down. In most kitchens, you'll find a broiler inside the oven. Foods you might broil include fish, meat, and vegetables. Broiling gives food a browned, often slightly charred appearance and taste. Let's learn some vocabulary related to broiling. Broiler pan. This is a special two-piece pan used for broiling in the oven. Caramelize. This is the process of browning sugar in food, creating a sweet and slightly bitter flavor. Char. To burn slightly, a desired effect in broiling. Glaze. A sweet or savory sauce brushed on food while it cooks. Congratulations! You now know more about grilling and broiling, two very popular cooking techniques, and you've learned a variety of new English words along the way. Keep practicing these words, maybe even try using them while you cook. As always, thank you for joining us, and we hope this video has been helpful. Remember, learning English is a journey, and every journey begins with a single step. Keep going. Happy cooking, and even happier learning.